Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through adoption. So basically, this is going to be really a short video, guys, because this adoption is nothing but adopting by the human. So basically, they'll be saying, right, so whenever you go in a flight for a long journey, like India to US or somewhere like really long, so they will be saying that we are having flight sleeps and all those things, right? So that things are nothing but adoption, guys. So basically here, from one situation, like from one time zone or from one type of temperature or from one type of living, you are going through some other place and you will be landing there at a different time zones and your sleeping time is different and all those things is nothing but you should adjust, right? So that is nothing but adoption. Okay, so an adjustment in nature or human system in response to actual or expected climate situation or their effects which moderate harm or exploits behind benefits opportunities in adoption. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on adoption. So I hope everyone can write something on adoption, right? So if it is asked for 3 marks or 5 marks, okay. So even if you are confused what to write, you can write about some climate situations and how people will adjust. So basically, like previously, like around 2 to 3 years ago, the temperature around 30 was 30 or 40 in summer was a maximum thing, but nowadays it is going to 45 and 50 also, right? So the temperatures are increasing slowly, but we are not facing that much issues, right? We will be feeling like something is hot like that, but it is not a huge issue, right? Yes. So because it is increasing slowly, like if it is increasing rapidly, like in first year it is 40 and now it is 100, so that will be a huge issue, right? So in that situation, adoption will not be taking place. Here slowly it is doing. So adoption, there is a high chance. Like that, you can write multiple examples, guys. Okay. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on adoption. So in the next lecture, we will be going through indigenous knowledge. So indigenous knowledge is nothing but local knowledge, guys. Okay. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.